ChatBot's AI knowledge section trains your bot using data from various sources, such as your website or help center. It automatically gathers information to help your bot provide accurate and relevant responses to user queries without manual training. To train your bot with AI knowledge, click the Add Content button and enter your source URL. You can scan the whole website or search only for nested or single pages. Once your source URL is provided, click the Train Chatbot button. Once scanning is complete, you will see a list of categories that can be used to train your bot. You can unselect the categories you don't want the bot to answer or keep everything selected and continue. Your website was scanned successfully, and the training process started. Depending on the number of pages found, it can take up to a few minutes. Once it's ready, the loading icon will disappear. Let's check if the newly trained content is used to answer questions. To do so, click on the Test Your Bot button and ask a question about your product. As you can see, the bot provided a valid answer and will use the newly trained AI knowledge for future questions. You can also add text articles to train your AI knowledge. This is a good option for internal documentation or content not available on your website. To do so, go to the Articles section, click on the Add Content button, and paste the content of your article. When done, click the Save and Close button in the top right. Using articles is a great way to achieve a higher bot response rate for cases not described on your website. To utilize existing Help Center articles, you can also scan your KnowledgeBase or Zendesk content. This process integrates these resources into your bot's knowledge pool, making them instantly available for user questions. Enable these sources by choosing one of the supported Help Center management tools and provide their public URL to add them to the bot's AI knowledge. Keeping your bot's knowledge up to date is quick and simple. In the AI knowledge section, you can refresh content, enable or disable specific pages from use, or delete them if needed. This ensures your responses are always based on the latest information. To add more knowledge sources, use the Add Content button in the relevant section. Whether for websites, articles, KnowledgeBase, or Zendesk, continuously adding and updating content helps your bot stay comprehensive and accurate in its responses. And that's a quick overview of the AI knowledge feature in ChatBot. Leveraging this tool can enhance customer service and ensure your chatbot provides the best possible answers.